All right, so we don't come back. We don't argue for backyard here and the matter it confuses us. But make you no confused. Go on top of Twitter at @TalkTalk_Wazobia and also on top of our Facebook.
TalkTalk-Wazobia TV.
All right. Go there, make you go shook your mouth because it no go make sense. Say we finish this show and you know choke your mouth inside. All right, we get our own second story. As the matter they roll, now so they bring. Oh, they very informed. As in, they bring out to you very hot. Oh, but not fairly. But right about now we talk. Now we go Kogi State. What's in they happen for Kogi? Now we hear say one man he use acid, take bath in ex-girlfriend, Abina wife. How this kind of matter could be? What thing go push you reach that level? We'll be saying acid, now be the solution. What thing happened? They say this 25-year-old laddie, Aladi, here in Kogi State, the Benue side, Aladi Sule. They say that her ex-lover, where they call Kazim Abdullahi, attacked her for Kogi State. According to Vanguard, we give us this story. They say Ladi and this man, they've been done the date since secondary school days. After then, she can't get pregnant for Ram. But before she born the pikin, okay, she born the pikin, but the pikin can't die. She don't date with this man, that's Kazim Abdullahi. They don't date 89. The man can say, okay, since pikin no gree stay, I won't go marry another wife. She allow her in go marry another wife. Oh. But then, nine trouble can't enter this their paradise where they live together. Make you see what men they do. Now, Ladi can't say, the matter don't tire me, make you no kill me because I no come born and you no first marry me properly because now this one they call her Auren later. That's they marry with nylon bag. And I'll let you carry your load.
Come by yourself.
I'll let you carry your load. So it no come hard for Ladi to carry her bag, come up for the house. What did she do? She come up for the house, can't go look for shop, they sell fruits. She continue her life for where she first pose her. Any woman will allow man pose her life. This generation, I say no to her. All right, she did there. They sell her fruits. Now the man can come back and say, he won't marry her. Okay, now she can't give her a condition. If you won't marry me, you must marry me the right way. But I tell you on my own, if you won't marry her now, she go be second wife because that one way marry properly. Yeah, now she be first wife. They don't agree. Say you go marry her. Now there they can start to get small big. Now she say she no do. What's thing happen in the middle of the night? Now in this man come and show face. Carry acid. Say, since you no want marry me, I go see who go marry. That's if I can't have it, nobody should have it. If I no fit chop this eba, nobody go chop. And I pack some pour inside the girl Gary. Now I carry acid. It take bath this girl. According to what we hear, so they don't rush the girl go hospital because she gets serious injury for face, so not be even for leg or somewhere for face, so that another person no go see her face. Oh, fine girl. We'll see what's in the man don't condone because of love.
Now love with that.
Now love, now see before and see after. Waiting this man don't condone this girl. Okay, as I can't catch the man now, in conto say he agree. See this wicked man. He saying he agree, no saying pour acid, saying go pay the hospital bill. Say because now anger, now he make and do like that. Now the girl there for General Hospital for Kogi, Lokoja. For Kogi, Lokoja. Kogi State, I be Lokoja. She did hospital there, they received treatment. Just because she said, just the normal arguments where they happen between husband and wife, then you can't take her to the extreme. Can't say na acid. Acid blow your coffee wet. The question, what do you think about the solution? What will be the solution? Make him marry her because you don't disfigure the chick face. Huh? Make him marry her by force or make she leave and just...
By the side question, where did they see acid?
They sell acid everywhere.
No, because I know say now it's make me ask by the side. I can know say they know they are yes they sell acid, but acid not supposed to they're not supposed to sell them.
Amaka, like, if you open car battery, the water will be inside.
There is I know one place for Ojota that they sell them. He plenty here.
But not now. Even besides the point, your question you say
by the side question.
What will be the solution? Yes,
Queen Bee, I tell you categorically, if she marry that man, and that man go still kill him. I still talk him yesterday. I say nowadays relationship, you want a relationship, you want marry. Not be say, okay, I know your family, you know my family, I don't know I'm 10 years, 2 years, 1 year. Check in mental status. Plenty people for outside know where. I they talk and some people they look and like say they joke. People know well.
Yes, seriously.
Recently I get person where be say, okay, we know even the days. I just we dey relate and everything. And I don't see say this person gets symptoms of scoring.
Now you move.
Before.
Step up.
Yeah. I trust you.
Plenty people know well for inside
It's
this
a
town
very
where we
sharp
dey.
person.
I dey tell you. Because you need to, she no fit tell me, say before when you pour this acid, she never see the signs. Then they always see the signs, but then go ignore them. Then go look and say, oh, it just vex. And one thing where they annoy me the most, now women where they give excuses for men.
For the man.
Maybe the man no do something, they go say, hey, you don't tire. Oh, you no get money. Oh, he dey stressed. Oh, he dey busy. I hate to hear excuses for other people. Don't make excuse for anybody. Make the person come out, tell you, it's okay, now the reason be this. You don't get any reason to make excuse for anybody. And I sure say everything she done they do. This na man will leave you, go marry another woman. You can't still agree. Person will pause your life before. Then you can't carry your coconut head, still agree, say, okay, you want to be second wife. In this modern age and time, man don't finish for this world.
No, see, second wife in the real sense. Because the first time, na nylon bag you take go the house. So they take nylon bag to drive you come back. Amaka, how do you get to talk for this matter? Because I still say you shake head before I
don't go shake
my
head.
mouth inside.
It's very painful. How you go just the person we don't now where you don't baptize him. Who won't come marry him? Yes, so person fit dey we go marry him. As in when the girl treat herself, person fit dey but haba. Now make me ask that question. Where did they keep? Why acid they around people?
You don't plan.
Why? Please do something about it. Make this acid not there everywhere. Before you know what now, small thing. Person just offend you, carry acid. Whoa.
I don't see girls who fight because of man.
They go fight because of man carry acid. They kill themselves on top waiting now. Disfigure themselves just because of man, or the men disfigure themselves because of woman. Haba. Anyway, solution wey me I go think, babe. I better not don't talk am. If you marry that man, you go still die put inside that house. You know, go even. I not to say you go even last one day for that house because the woman wey you marry as first wife, you don't even know as that one take be. Where you go carry your two left leg enter that place again. Dear, as you come up before, what to make you think? Why you think and say you won't go back? Why? Just if you just day your lane, he come meet you, talk, you talk from heaven, come down. You say find your even if you no get boy, because I say I get one guy where they hustle me. Yeah, better that one say go every make and this time no be acid for poor. For carrying knife, come stab her for night when she dey sleep. Who knows? Personally, I just feel to make she no go back to that man. It no make sense.
Well, for me, na two-way thing. You understand? Wetin Betiana talk, I think say na the right thing. Say if you want marry man, you or woman, you need to check their mental state. And I think both Afa and pastors need to include them. You know, as they make pregnancy and HIV tests, they're very, very compulsory and genotype. May they add mental checkup. Because the thing don't come too much. I don't understand what they call love again. When the person where you love. Yes, everybody needs mental checkup. My producer, thank you. Even you say you need mental checkup.
I'm telling you.
Yes, because somebody where you call I love you, or somebody where you laugh with, then you decide, say, you know what, now acid or knife. Because I see, the way, if you check from January till now, the lovers wey don't kill themselves, no be here. You don't pass how many...
You know the funny part? Talking about this one, okay, this one, the man pour acid on top of the wife. That John Fashion story, you know, so they say the Obiageli, they use knife, they chase John Fashion.
They chase
so what are we talking about now? Pari passu, woman and man, all of everybody need mental checkup.
Everybody need not be just
mental, spiritual,
make our
financial,
pastor, lawyer, where they go registry, go to say, please bring me your mental tests, HIV,
yes,
and talking about that HIV, I just want to drop this one like you hot. So now hear about the self-check kits where they don't make now. So you go day house, just check. If you get HIV, you close your mouth.
It be like the pregnancy, this thing.
Yes, but to me, it don't make sense because so many people go to hide for us. Except if the medicine don't dey every shop. So when you don't check yourself, say you get and you go shop, go buy the medicine, only you take care of yourself.
No, but the medicine dey general hospital now.
Yeah. So you want... The person not going to release yourself.
No, but you know, say if even
they're not they hide again now. When I be there bad, I see plenty people will get HIV.
Even if people hide, then go know what they go to do. They know, you know, go that stigma no go kill them.
That's person will get conscious.
You go know on your own. You do better.
All right. Make we not change the story for you, my sister. We wish you speed recovery from talk. May your face go back and may God send you somebody with
better husband.
I wish you brain.
Gay lunti, like Betiana go to say, may you gay lunti, that's wrong. Borrow leg.
No, gay lunti,
listen. Okay, gay lunti, listen. Borrow leg, your mama or your family on join, take run. Leave this man because he shall kill you someday. Somebody will pour you acid.
Sometime soon.
Fair.
All right, make we go to our third story because I tell you today will be our real life issues. Now about what's they happen for we country obodo all over the world now with the chook mouth they put because hey they're very important because now what's we can't do for here we they talk. I want talking it content me talking. Now so the bunch they call us talkies. All right, our third story. This one is say I will get married when I find someone I love so much. Bra. Kalu Ike Aigwe abi wetin be name? Wetin be name so? Ike Ago. Sorry, I no mother your name. He say he go find somebody where he go marry somebody where he don't love so much. But I don't know the so much how you go take get up. What he talk? This one they say na British Nigerian actor and British Nigerian actor and writer. He say he go get married when he find somebody he won't live the rest of his life with. He say him yet to find that right person to settle down with. And he never see that person way because this one, according to God, they say marriage na very important institution.
Preach it.
He say I want to be successful in my marriage just as I am successful in my career. I will get married when I find the right person and when I see the lady who is showing the right sign of my wife maritally. He told Equemio magazine about what he expects from the woman to marry. Man, no go too much because not the same thing. Round and round, Amaka's kind of love. I beg, you feel say anything they delay you, say now love. When be the right time to find love? Because I don't understand. Because the real definition of love, they say patience, kindness, all these things, no, they grow for one day. Because it's saying a sign, when the woman don't they give a sign. So the woman will give you sign of patience, long suffering, perseverance,
that is fruit of the spirit, no be love, no confuse the two.
It's still there part of love.
No, the difference there.
Okay, so when is the right time to fall in love and find somebody? Please, love it.
Love it.
Loving.
Well, everybody gets their own, perception. I will start by saying this. No be love, the delay marriage. Me no get am wrong.
All right,
your
mommy.
opinion.
No be love, the delay
all right,
marriage.
mommy.
Yes.
When it comes to love, we can call you a mommy.
If they wait for love, love they grow. They start from somewhere. Love no just come boom. Okay. It no just appear for your face, bam. Love, no. You go first start from maybe you just see the person, you're a little bit attracted to the person. Okay. Like when they talk and say, what is they attract to the person? If you be the person, personal beauty, if you be the person shoe, eye, nose, nail, maybe at the person they take brushing hair, now make you like the person. Oh. So if
or you get beards.
Or the beards, or the nose big where you call they attractive because you know say they take all the air with the atmosphere.
Who are you trying to talk to? Are you trying to talk to Don Jazzy? Because the nose don't smell.
Collins!
I know they see Don Jazzy nose again. The nose don't shrink because money don't plenty.
So if that what you see for the person where you like, that first thing will first attract you to the person.
Okay.
Then when you start to talk, if you say they see all the personality for the person body, you don't see the person they very nice, the person get fluent, where they talk well, the person
so
get
if you don't call your English,
people get their preferences.
Okay.
Also, you tell me say some people go just sit down and say, now who knows sabi English, now I go love.
Yes, they get love.
You can find love in them, not like you intentionally want to love. But Shakara been tell me,
now this thing they argue, no they give excuse for person, make she answer now you ask.
I beg, sorry, I don't cut it. Shakara, when would they ask Shakara, say, why you never marry? Because everybody for industry just tell Shakara when you
go marry.
You know what Shakara talk? He say, Ingo like marry somebody where they little bit fair. Then he say Ingo like somebody when they eloquent. You see?
My preference be that.
Is it because he knows Sabi do stress.
Some people like I say, if they're black, they won't make the person go marry, they're very yellow.
Okay.
People get
just to help the children.
So anyway, at the end of the story, anybody where you meet, the waiting you want, now gradual process, no be just bam, the love. I don't know where they come from. This is so, he loves so much. I don't understand that one. I don't understand this so much where they find. So personally, I'll just talk saying, no be love, they delay marriage. If you like the person, small, you now go get there.
Okay.
Personally, small, you now go get there. So forget all that in they wait for love, waiting.
What do you think? What do you think?
See how she pause.
First of all, I would like to actually say that, like Kalu Ikeagu talk.
I'm not saying I agree with them.
I know go fit married person way I know love so much because
gradual process.
No, yes, I agree with you, Amaka. Say love na gradual process, but one thing you need to know: people they're different. Person like me, little things they irritate me. I feel claim say okay, I love this person, and then after like 6 months, I go realize that the person don't begin they irritate me. So I need time to actually deal with the person to know that.
Digest all those
yes,
things.
I need time because marriage now for life. So I'm not gonna say okay. I believe the issue, the points when they try bring up, is say you know go see person under 1 year, say okay, I want to marry him. You go need time with the person to actually know say okay, I don't spend this much amount of time with this person. So if now for the rest of my life, I believe so anything we won't come back, I go fit tolerate the person. Because if you just jump, say, okay, I love him. Oh, she gets shape. Oh, her backyard and her front yard. Oh, now wonderful. Equal proportion. Oh, she they use the one where they make her waist, the tiny. She did very, when she talk, oh, her swear. She
can wear heels.
She they wear heels. Oh, her makeup, eyebrows on fleek. What happened? What's it go happen when the day where you be say high pencil go finish?
Go back
or the day where she go begin to get joint pain and she no fit wear high heel again. You go need to give yourself time to allow that love build. And I totally agree with Kalu. But Kalu, make you understand, say even with your K-leg, I love you.
Oh.
Yes.
Hey, so people have to confess.
But now what love? You know, say like, you say love. Okay, Kalu. She's available, very single.
Kalu, no, let me say bad, she's a fine boy anyway. Sorry,
she say talk and sha.
No, minor.
Well, for me, I go say yes. Love no fit delay love. Marriage.
No fit.
Because now something where they actually grow. Because the person who I deal with right now, if I tell you say I go end up with him, I say na lie. In short, na shere were carry us reach where we did. We were just joking. We did joke. But at the end of the day, I can't see more than what I expect. In short, I know because I know carry list go. Like him, he say he go like make the woman did this, make she did that, make she did no. I know. List. Yes, me no, I no get list. My own be say make it they just neutral, make the love happen as it's supposed to happen. All right, my people, we don't talk our own. Yes, go on top of Twitter, go on top of Facebook, make you talk your own dear because hey, you get that opportunity. Because when we come back, we would like to read from you. When they go for shaking a break, we is coming back. Yes, we don't come back. And I know say you don't write so many things on top of there. But today, this afternoon, yeah, so we still get our segments where they wait for you. We still get, you sabi say we get a wear or throw away, and we still get our cocoa of the day. But first, sharply, make I give you this one. You sabi say Canada. Canada na Indian word wey mean big village.
So if I want to talk now, Canada.
That's if you want to speak India. Then we get this one. The names of all the country end with same letter where them start with America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia. That's name of countries where finish with the letter word.
Australia, Africa, yes. Asia, Antarctica,
Ethiopia,
Europe. All right, so now the one we'll go fit take with this. Make we see our wear or throw because when we come back, we will take our cocoa of the day.
Wear or throw away.
What are we throwing? What are we wearing?
What are these?
Is that clothes?
The picture.
Her leg black.
You see,
I noticed.
Yes, you get one thing with short clothes, and when you did dark, just cuckoo wear hose so that everything go dark.
Yeah.
Then you wear like a flashy shoe. We go bring out your. But for me, for her body.
If I don't even know what she will. I bet throw it.
For me, I go say throw it because she know wear and well. If now another person go like Bettina go wear and rock.
I don't understand why I can't be.
No, as in wearing something short, but you know how to dress it up. If you wear something short like that, black again with that kind of color, way black. We no see
her leg black.
Yes. Okay, we could see the other one. Oh, now the only one we will get with that.
We're supposed to get another one. Like two. Oh.
All right. Okay.
I like
silver and red.
Yeah. From the day that I met you, girl.
All right.
I love the gown already.
They said they like him. All right. Make we go on top of cocoa of the day.
Cocoa of the day. May I Russian. And then give you opportunity to correct something wey don't happen for the past with person. Who the person will be. may I expatiate.
Okay. Sharp, you don't get time.
If you be person where you don't offend, or person where don't offend you, or person where you feel say you need to correct this person way of life. Okay. Who that person will be?
For me, I go say my relative, now blood, my stepsister. I just now misunderstand. You know this sibling rivalry with the drag waiting no one day there. Just no, you said this. I know you're not supposed to. I not be age because I not go disrespect her, but now something where you want make her follow your own way when you know even do the way right.
When me say if I get way, but for me go be my former boss where I mean they work before. Beautiful, amazing woman, but when I won't come out there, we actually get off on the wrong foot. Yes, we say some things to ourselves. Why I know say our two no mean for inside our hearts. And don't worry, boss the boss, we go see very soon.
Sure, sister Ligisha.
Okay, we can just read one or two tweets sharply. At Ayotex Talk Wazobia, if the man loved the girl, if it still marry her, she will still put to bed if they believe. But marriage, cause of pity, is wrong. Not concerning the real life story where we read. And then same as Ayotex mean business today. He say at Betiana, you talk better concerning that Kogi man matter. Say that man go kill that girl. Okay, now Amaka be one say talk to. He say acid na business so. You were the ask say where acid.
They sell for daughter. We are one place where I know say they sell.
Yes, not that the much where we fit take on top.
All right, so our time don't go really, we don't get much time. But I tell you, conversation no stop. Go on top Twitter because that guy really needs solution to his problem. Now then we for take back break today. My own name still remain Queen B Obale.
Yes, my name still remain Batiana Uweli, making I get very casual day.
A beautiful afternoon to all of you now. Making I enjoy the rest of Tuesday. My name still remain Amaka.
Okay, should not forget that. I don't forget my name. All right, and today always they talk.
To talk about the bad thing, but make you know what you talk about. Amaka, where are you rushing to?
My house.